A Hungry Bears late-night kitchen break-in was a little too close for comfort for two California teens who came face-to-face with the animal.
Take a look at this. The bear made its way into the home and started raiding the fridge. That's when the boy came out to investigate. They say the bear looked at both of them, then started going toward them. They barricaded themselves in a room and called police. One deputy confronted the bear in the driveway. She shot it on the backside with her gun, and then it ran away.
Can you imagine being trapped in your home with a bear?
Making eye contact with something like that? Whew.
Yeah. All right.